This world sometimes seems cruel and cold, and pain doth pierce my very soul. But there's a place, a secret place, that place where I can go. Ooh.